In this video, I'll show you how to fix the X.com or Twitter verification error quickly and with just a few simple checks. If you're stuck on verification, can't access an account, or keep getting an error message, this method can help you narrow down the most common cause in minutes. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Now let's get started. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, clear your cookies and cache. This step is important because old or corrupted browser data can interfere with X verification pages and stop them from loading properly. After clearing the cookies and cache, close that window and open a new incognito or private browsing window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. Once the private window opens, go to X and check whether the site is working properly there. If X loads normally in incognito, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data, extensions, or saved session in the regular window. If it still does not work, the next thing to check is your account information. Go to your account settings and review your date of birth. Make sure the DOB is correct because incorrect account details can sometimes cause verification problems or security checks to fail. Double check that the birthday entered matches the account information exactly, then save any changes if needed. In most cases, these 3 steps are enough to identify or fix the issue. Clear the cache and cookies, test X in private browsing, and confirm the date of birth on the account. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more sure and useful fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.